History of Uzbek wrestling. Today, the Uzbek wrestling, which is gaining popularity in the world and fascinating the people of the world, has its deep roots as a spiritual value of our people. The phrase courage wrestling is also often found in ancient folk epics, fairy tales, and legends. If you pay attention to their content, you will be convinced that the historical roots of the struggle date back to the matriarchal period. In conclusion, the history of Uzbek wrestling dates back to 500 years ago. There were types of courage wrestling tradition in the life of our people. Its earliest was an exercise exogamous in connection with the marriage ceremony. The wrestling of the future bride and groom at the wedding ceremony was organized by the ruling women of that time. This event arose based on the race of the future bride of the matriarchal kingdom to test and choose the land. Over time, the form of the tradition has changed. In this case, the bride had to fight and defeat an enemy before the fight with the groom. Contradictions to patriarchal relations, which had just begun to emerge, also arose at the same time. The girls later married a young man who had defeated himself in a one-on-one battle. Wrestling was widely developed in Uzbekistan in the 9th centuries AD, and competitions in national elections have become a tradition. The locals paid special attention to the celebration of various ceremonies, especially on the days of Nowruz. During the first 3 days of the holidays, wrestling performances were organized under the leadership of the country's elders. The parks are full of people. In this connection, the prisoners were released and culprits were pardoned. Importantly, the competitions have gone through a comprehensive training school for the younger generation. The tradition of wrestling or round wrestling, which is the pride of our nation, has a history of several thousand years and embodies many traditions and customs of our Uzbek people. The Uzbek people have preserved the tradition of courage like the apple of their eye. They passed it down from generation to generation. Round wrestling is different from combat and competitive wrestling. The wrestlers demonstrated their strength at weddings, festivals, and celebrations, fighting to the sound of trumpets. With beautiful movements, they competed playing and laughing. During the rest of the wrestling, there were round fights, performances of amateurs, and bakshish is the wrestling arena or the circle. After that, the struggle continued again. Round wrestling has its own rules and regulations, regardless of where and in what order it's held. Adherence to the conditions is a common custom for all wrestlers. The competition were led by famous wrestlers, elders. The ruler of the circle was called Bakaul. If a riot took place, such wrestlers were expelled from the circle by order the Bakul. It was strictly forbidden for the two wrestlers to talk to each other during the fight. That is why both the wrestlers and the Bakuls who wrestled in the circle were subject to discipline. For example, 5 players to 10 players and more wrestlers wrestled at the same time, all of which were easily managed by one Bakuler. Interestingly, in a large circle of 40-50,000 spectators, more than 1,000 wrestlers completed for 2-3 days. The round fight was held on flat but hard ground in the shape of a circle. This tradition continues to this day, as the weddings of our people do not take place without wrestling.